Hi guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how you can edit Facebook Marketplace listing. So the first step you need to do is to open Facebook. So open Facebook and you need to log in into your Facebook account. So once you complete that, you need to click on this marketplace and here you can see an option of your listing. Click on that and here you can see all of your listings. So let's suppose I want to edit this listing. So click on three dots. Here you can see different options. Click on edit listing and now you have complete control. You can upload different photos. You can change the required details here and click on update. So this is the process that you need to follow to edit Facebook Marketplace listing. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.